You're talking about how to remove one of these clear guards properly without leaving all the adhesive behind. So there is a certain science to it. You lift the corner, and as you're pulling up, you don't just pull straight up, pull towards you. In essence, you're stretching the plastic as you're pulling towards you, and it removes the adhesive along with it, instead of leaving it behind. So when you pull it like this, less cleanup afterwards. So you notice how I'm pulling towards me? Angle doesn't really necessarily matter as much as the stretching of it. This works on pretty much most of these unless they're really super brittle, and then you just have to wing it. But on most of them, this will work for you. I rushed it a little bit too much, left the spot with the adhesive on it. I've found removing these while they're still on the car is much easier than doing it off the car. And if you just take your time and get done with very little adhesive left over. Just a little bit right in through there. You can kind of see it. Other than that, pretty clean. A little bit in that corner too. Couldn't help it. Thanks for watching.